Elevate your lawn care business's visibility and show off your dedication with this eye-catching vinyl decal. 0 Turn Lawn Mower Car or Truck Window Decal Sticker. Available in 20 sizes and 32 vibrant colors, this decal is designed to showcase your passion for lawn maintenance wherever you go. Manufactured by Rad Dezigns. Designed for exterior glass application, each decal is computer-cut from solid-color Oracal 651 vinyl that boasts a thickness of 2.5 mm and an outdoor rating of 6 years. The clear, solvent-based permanent adhesive guarantees a secure application, while the clear application tape makes installation a breeze. Whether you're advertising your lawn care business, building brand awareness, or just love the mow life, this decal is the perfect addition to your vehicle. RadDezigns.com. Stick with the best.